मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। मुझे अपने आलसी होने पर शर्म आती है। आई एम ashamed of having been lazy. I am ashamed of having been lazy. मुझे कल रात एक बहुत अजीब सपना आया। I had a strange dream last night. I had a strange dream last night. मुझे एक ज़रूरी कॉल करनी है। I have an important call to make. I have an important call to make. इस काम को करने में ज़्यादा देर नहीं लगेगी। It won't take long to do the job. It won't take long to do the job. उसने उसका प्रस्ताव खुशी से स्वीकार कर लिया। She gladly accepted his proposal. She gladly accepted his proposal. मक्खन और पनीर दूध से बनते हैं। Butter and cheese are made from milk. Butter and cheese are made from milk. मैं यही सवाल आपसे पूछने वाली थी। I was about to ask you the same question. I was about to ask you the same question. यह मौका दोबारा नहीं दिया जाएगा। This opportunity will not be given again. This opportunity will not be given again. मेरी रात में कई बार नींद खुली। I woke up several times during the night. I woke up several times during the night. कुछ सीखो अपने छोटे भाई से। Learn something from your younger brother. Learn something from your younger brother. ऐसी कोई जगह है जहां आप जाना चाहते हो? Is there anywhere you want to go? Is there anywhere you want to go? मुझे अगले साल विदेश जाकर पढ़ाई करने का मन है। I want to study abroad next year. I want to study abroad next year. मुझसे पैसे मांगने में कोई फायदा नहीं है। It is no use asking me for money. It is no use asking me for money. मुझे देर से आने के लिए माफ़ कीजिएगा। Please pardon me for coming late. Please pardon me for coming late. जल्दी करो नहीं तो बस छूट जाएगी। Hurry up or you will miss the bus. Hurry up or you will miss the bus. मैं वहाँ गया क्योंकि मेरा मन था। I went there because I wanted to. I went there because I wanted to. वह मेरे दूर के रिश्तेदार है। He is my distant relative. He is my distant relative. मुझसे ऊंची आवाज में बात मत करो। Don't talk to me at the top of your voice. Don't talk to me at the top of your voice. तुम उस पर बिना सबूत के आरोप नहीं लगा सकते। You can't allege him. You can't allege him. आपको मेरा नंबर किसने दिया? Who gave you my number? Who gave you my number? क्या तुम्हारे घुटने में दर्द हो रहा है? Is your knee hurting? Is your knee hurting? मेरे मोबाइल की बैटरी खत्म होने वाली है। The battery of my mobile is about to die. The battery of my mobile is about to die. यह तुम्हारा पागलपन है. It's your insanity. It's your insanity. मेरा दिल बेचैन है. My heart is restless. My heart is restless. समय समय पर. From time to time. From time to time. सच कहो. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. कभी झूठ मत बोलो. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. मदद करके खुशी हुई. Glad to help. Glad to help. मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ. I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful. देखो मगर प्यार से. See but with love. See but with love.